Welcome to this comprehensive walkthrough of the Delivery App Tracker, a fully integrated spreadsheet system built to help gig workers monitor earnings, control expenses, and evaluate performance across platforms like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Grubhub. We begin in the Work Log tab, which serves as the central hub for logging delivery sessions. Each row in the delivery table represents a single delivery shift and is designed to capture every key detail needed for profitability and performance analysis. To begin, enter the date of the session, followed by the delivery platforms such as DoorDash, Uber Eats. Next, record the number of deliveries completed, total gross earnings from that session, the time spent actively delivering, and the total time spent online and available for orders. Also enter the mileage driven and the hotspot zone where the shift occurred. These inputs feed into real-time performance metrics and make up the core dataset for your analytics dashboard. To the right, the expense table allows you to track delivery-related costs with precision. Tie each expense to a delivery session using a drop-down selector. Once a delivery is selected, the associated date autofills, helping ensure a seamless linkage between sessions and costs. From there, simply choose the expense category, such as fuel, parking, or others, and enter the amount. The system supports multiple expenses per delivery session, providing full visibility into how each shift affects your bottom line. You'll also find 3 automated profitability indicators: net earnings, earnings per mile, and earnings per hour, that update automatically as earnings and expense information is entered. These metrics help you understand how efficiently you're operating on the road. The spreadsheet also includes 2 powerful search tools. The first is the date-based delivery search. Just pick a date from the dropdown, and it will show you all the delivery sessions recorded for that day. It also summarizes expenses tied to each session. If you have more than 6 sessions, use the page dropdown to scroll through more. The second tool is the expense lookup by delivery number. Select a session number to view all expenses tied to that delivery, broken down by category and amount. If the list is long, you can use the page dropdown to see more entries. The information beside the expense table displays details corresponding to the selected delivery session number, such as date, platform, hotspot locations, and more, confirming that the expense details are correctly connected to the right delivery session. Moving on to the dashboard, this is where your data transforms into insights. The entire dashboard updates automatically as data is filled in, making it easy to compare performance across years, identify seasonal trends, and analyze changes in earnings, expenses, and delivery efficiency over time. At the top left, you'll see 3 core stats: total earnings, total expenses, and net earnings for the year. These are paired with a pie chart that visualizes the percentage breakdown between income and spending. To the right, a board-like chart lets you compare your delivery performance across 4 key ratios: per delivery, per mile, per active hour, and per dashed hour. Using the dropdown, you can switch between views for earnings, expenses, and net earnings views. This setup helps you understand how each factor affects your overall efficiency and profitability. It provides a clear way to see how your shifts are performing, helping you make smarter decisions about when, where, and how you work. Just below the chart is the hourly forecast table, which breaks down your projected earnings, expenses, net income, and delivery count, hour by hour. Each row represents a single hour based on your historical data. You can filter by platform, hotspot, and weekday to identify your most profitable time windows. Supporting graphs further down help you visualize these hourly trends. Moving on, the daily totals bar chart lets you track daily earnings, expenses, or net income for the selected month. This is perfect for identifying your best and worst days, helping you plan your week or review performance over time. The graph next to it shows the same information, but from a yearly perspective. On the right side of the dashboard, bar charts show metrics based on active time, deliveries, and mileage. You can toggle the axes using a dropdown to compare performance by platform, hotspot zone, and day of the week. This gives you the insights you need to determine which apps or zones are most profitable. There are also visual breakdowns that highlight average net earnings per mile and per hour for each weekday. 2 other charts show where you earn and spend the most by platforms and hotspot zone. These help you uncover high-earning areas, identify money-draining zones, and spot inefficiencies in your routes. Altogether, the Delivery App Tracker isn't just a place to record your numbers. It's a complete data-driven toolkit for boosting your delivery game. From tracking true profit to identifying winning hours, zones, and platforms, you're empowered to make smarter, more profitable decisions. Whether you're hustling part-time or driving full-time, this tool grows with you and turns your delivery data into real strategy,